On the front panel, there are 4 numeric keys for setting temperature. There are up, down, left, and right arrow keys. Press silence, switch. You may silence an alarm or switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Power on. Open the door. Install the IV set. Ensure it is pressed smoothly and well contacted with the heating panel. Close the door. Press up, down, left, and right arrows to adjust the temperature. We can also press silence switch key to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Enter into the setting. We can set temperature like 42 Celsius degree. Press OK and return. Negative and positive keys are available for temperature setting. Thank you.